So when you put on the needle cartridge on the pen, you see that it's a square inside of the pen, and the cartridge also have a square on the tip here. Those two have to line up with each other when you put on the cartridge. You also see, I'm gonna twist the pen here now. It's two ridges, one on each side of the pen. Those two ridges will fit in the cartridge because it's two holes on each side of the needle cartridge. So those two also have to fit in. Before you put this on, you need to dial down the needle pen to the lowest depth, which is 0.25. Then you put on the cartridge. You twist clockwise pretty hard, because if you don't twist it, the needle cartridge will not be stuck and then it will pop off during the treatment. Then you press the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. You dial up to the depth that you want and then start needling.